Hello students, in this part 3 video of chapter number 5, Morphology of Flowering Plant, we will discuss how to write floral formula and how to make floral diagrams of flowers of some important families. Let us see the semi-technical description of a typical flowering plant. The plant is described beginning with its habit, its vegetative characters, or you can say various features of various parts of plants, and then its floral characters. After this, we have to make the floral diagram and we have to write floral formula of the flower. Here you can see floral diagram of mustard plant belonging to family Brassicaceae and floral formula of mustard flower in a precise and scientific way. Now, let us see the symbols used for writing the floral formula. See the diagram of a flower very carefully. Note the presence of bracts in the flower. If the bracts are present, it means the flower is bracteate. These are reduced leaf found at base of the pedicel, and for this the abbreviation BR is used. Next come to K. K is used for calyx of flower or sepal of flower. C. C is used for corolla or colored petals of the flower. Then come to P. P is used for perianth. Perianth is formed when calyx and corolla are fused together, and it is also called as tepal. A. A is used for androecium or stamens, which are male parts of the flower. Come to next G. G is used for gynoecium, the female part of the flower. It is also called as pistil. And next come to the symbol for using bisexual flower. Means here the flower is having both stamens and pistil. For this you have to make a circle, and above the circle there is an arrow and below the circle there is a plus sign. This indicates the bisexual flower. Now, let us see the symbols of superior ovary. See the diagram number 1. If position of ovary is highest and other parts arise below the ovary, then the ovary is superior, and for this a line is drawn below G. This is the symbol used for superior ovary. Next, for inferior ovary, see the diagram number 2. The position of ovary is below other parts of the flower, and for this a line is drawn above G. So this is the symbol used for inferior ovary. Now see the symbols of male and female flowers. Male flowers are having only stamen as shown in figure 3, and symbol is a circle with an arrow at the top. Then see the symbol for female flower as shown in figure 4. Its symbol is a circle with a plus sign below the circle. Now let us see the symbols used for actinomorphic and zygomorphic flower. See the picture number 1 and picture number 2. Picture number 1 is showing the actinomorphic flowers. These are the flowers which can be divided into two equal halves along any plane, and they have got the radial symmetry. See the symbol which is used for actinomorphic flower. Now come to second picture showing zygomorphic flower. It is divided into two equal halves only by medial cut through the central axis, and this type of flower has got the bilateral symmetry, and the symbol used for this is drawn along with the picture. Now let us see the symbols used for fusion and adhesion. Come to fusion and adhesion. In floral formula, fusion is indicated by enclosing the figure within bracket as written in the block number 1, and adhesion is written by a line drawn above the symbols of floral parts as mentioned in block number 2. Floral formula also shows cohesion and adhesion. Cohesion का meaning है fusion of parts within world, and adhesion का meaning है fusion between two worlds of flower. Now see the floral diagram. A floral diagram gives information about number of parts of a flower, their arrangement and the relation between them. Let us start with some important families. The first family which we are going to study is Fabaceae. This family was earlier called Papilionoideae, a subfamily of family Leguminosae. This family is distributed all over the world. Let us see the vegetative characters of the plants belonging to the family Fabaceae. They may be trees or shrubs or herbs, and roots are with root nodules. Stem may be erect or may be climber. Come to leaves. Leaves are having alternate type of phyllotaxy. See it in the diagram number 1. Here a leaf arises at each node in alternate manner, and also here each leaf is having many leaflets, so the leaf is pinnately compound, or it may be simple also in some cases. Now see the diagram number 2. Leaf is swollen at the base, which is called pulvinate. See the diagram number 3. It may be stipulated. Stipule actually is an outgrowth of the base of the leaf stalk. Now check the venation in leaf in diagram number 4. It is reticulate type of venation found in the leaf of the plants belonging to the family Fabaceae. Next come to floral characters. See the inflorescence. What is inflorescence? It is the arrangement of flowers on the stalk, and it is of racemose type where the flower is not present on the tip. Flower is bisexual and it is zygomorphic. Now come to calyx. Calyx or sepals are 5 in numbers. They are gamosepalous, means united with each other, and have velvet or imbricate type of estivation as shown in diagram 1 and 2 given below. Corolla or petals, they are also 5. They are polypetalous, means they are also united. They are papilionaceous. See the diagram, consisting of a posterior standard, 2 lateral wings, 2 anterior ones forming a keel. So it is a vexillary type of estivation in the corolla. Androecium or stamens, they are 10 in numbers. They are didelphous, means found in 2 groups as shown below in the diagram, and anther is dithecous. Come to gynoecium. Here ovary is superior in position. It is monocarpellary, having 1 locule, or you can say it is unilocular with many ovules, and it has single style. Fruit of plants of Fabaceae family are legume. Seeds 1 to many and are non-endospermic. Now see the floral diagram and floral formula. Read the floral formula along with me. It is zygomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5 and polysepalous. Corolla are also 5, arranged in 1 plus 2 plus 2 manner, where anterior 2 are fused together, so they are put inside the bracket. Androecium are also in 2 bundles, 9 plus 1. 9 are fused, so are placed in the bracket, and 1 is separate. While in gynoecium, ovary is superior and is unilocular. Now see the economically important plants of Fabaceae family. They are gram, arhar, same, moong, soyabean. They are pulses. We get edible oil from soyabean and groundnut. Indigofera provides dye. Fibers are obtained from sun hemp. Sesbania and trifolium are used as fodder. Lupin, sweet pea are ornamental plants. Mullaty is a medicinal plant of family Fabaceae. Come to second family, Solanaceae. It is a large potato family. It is widely distributed in tropics, subtropics and even temperate zone. Now come to vegetative characters of plants of this family. Mostly they are herbs, shrubs and small trees. Stem is herbaceous, rarely woody. It is aerial, erect, cylindrical, branched, solid or hollow. Hairy or glabrous means without hair, but it is underground in potato. Leaves are alternately arranged, simple, rarely pinnately compound. Exstipulate means without stipule, and its venation is reticulate type. Now, floral structures, floral characters. See the inflorescence. It is solitary, axillary or cymose type. Flower is present at the tip of the branch as shown in figure 1 and 2. Flower is bisexual. It is actinomorphic. Calyx. Calyx or sepals are 5 in number. They are united, persistent and have valvate type of estivation. See it in floral diagram where K is written for calyx. Corolla. They are also 5 in number. They are united. See its arrangement in floral diagram where C is written for corolla. Androecium or stamens. Stamens are 5 in number and are epipetalous, or you can say they are fused with petals. For this, see the diagram number 1 and also see floral diagram where A, androecium or stamens are fused with petals. Gynoecium. It is bicarpellary. See the diagram number 2 for its detailed structure. It is syncarpous. Ovary is superior, bilocular. Placenta is swollen with many ovules. Now see the fruits. Fruits are of berry type or capsule. Many seeds are present and they are endospermous in Solanaceae family. Now see the floral diagram and floral formula. It is actinomorphic, bisexual, K, calyx 5 in number and are fused. C, corolla are 5 and are fused. A, androecium 5 and are fused with corolla. G, bilocular and syncarpous and ovary is superior. And then draw floral diagram step by step as shown. Some economically important plants of Solanaceae family are tomato, brinjal and potato are used as food. Chili is a spice. Belladonna and ashwagandha are medicinal plants. Tobacco is fumigatory. Petunia is an ornamental plant of the family Solanaceae. Third family, Liliaceae. It is a lily family, a characteristic representative of monocotyledonous plant. It is distributed worldwide. Vegetative characters of plants are they are perennial herbs with underground bulbs or combs or rhizomes. Leaves are mostly basal, alternate linear, without stipules or they are exstipulate and have parallel venation as shown in the picture of leaf. Inflorescence is solitary cymose, often umbellate. Clusters are shown in the figure. Flowers are found in clusters and look like an umbrella, so the name given umbellate. Flower is bisexual. It is actinomorphic. There is perianth formed by fusion of calyx and corolla, which is also called tepals. Tepals are 6 in numbers and are found in 2 groups. Group is 3 plus 3, often united into tube valvate estivation. See the 3 sepals and 3 petals look alike and form perianth in the diagram. Androecium or stamens are also 6 in number and are in 2 groups, 3 plus 3. See the diagram number 1. Gynoecium or pistil is tricarpellary, syncarpous and has superior ovary. See diagram 2 and 3. Ovary is trilocular with many ovules and placentation is axile. Fruit is capsule and rarely berry type. Seeds are endospermous. Now make floral diagram and read the floral formula along with me. It is bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, perianth with 3+3 arrangement, androecium with 3+3 arrangement and fused with perianth. In gynoecium, ovary is superior, tricarpellary and syncarpous means fused carpels are there. Let us see economically important plants of family Liliaceae. Tulip and Gloriosa, they are ornamental plants. Aloe has medicinal value. Asparagus is used as vegetable. And Colchicum autumnale, it produces colchicine which also has the medicinal value. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.